So this is Agent Layer. This is my number one pick for the AI sort of sector into my portfolio. I'm going to show you how you can earn hundreds a day from it, even with a very small investment. And there's some good things coming with this token. I think it's like a year old now. So yesterday was 1 year old, or about something like 12 hours ago, it hit 1 year old. And now AI is starting to take off. If you look at AI as a whole, market cap wise, it's starting to rally hard. In fact, there's more liquidity going in terms of inflows into AI projects than there are meme coins that hit first time today. So if you look at the data, AI is where the money's flowing. Regardless of if the projects are good, bad, actually AI, it doesn't matter. That's where the money's going. This is a genuine AI project, very, very undervalued. I think I first initially called it about 3 million, 4 million, and now it's at 19 million. I potentially most of the projects in this are 300 plus million. So we got some potential for growth. Of course, I leave it up to you. It's your money, you do what you want. But we have excellent volume on it. This was around, 40K volume. This is not the liquidity. This is what I'm yield farming. So this is a separate pool. So ignore the liquidity. Again, I'm going to show you just a few of the burns that have happened. So they're running a sort of campaign with Gate.io, so it's stake and you get a share of $30,000, which is really good as well. So this is a 14-day event. So they're partnered with Gate.io, they're listed on there, and they've also listed on Bitpanda as well recently, which is another good thing. So they've got more exchanges, equals more liquidity, more volume. It's perfect for actually holding the token. More exchanges that come into play, and I'm sure there'll be others, means that there's more likelihood of the token's price going up or stabilizing long term. And they've also burnt 1 million tokens, which was a huge event. It caused a pump. Hopefully, there'll be more burns. And also, the price action has done very well. It's very positive. So I'm still very bullish on the token. So, how am I making hundreds a day from this in terms of it? So, the first one is a very small amount. This is more of a long term play. So, I brought a node here which is $1,200, and it gives me a yield. So I'll show you here. So it gives me about 18 and it slowly declines over time. So you can see I got a bit higher yield. So 18 agent is about $1.50. Now you might think, wow, that's not really going to change my life. I don't really want to invest that much. But in theory, if this holds and the price goes up, if this was $1 a day, it would make sense. Yeah, sorry, if the price was $1, it would make a lot of sense. However, if we get it up, it's going to be good. However, I'm just leaving it there for now. 72, I could yield out. I think it's a couple of dollars, but I'll leave it there. The main way I'm making the money from this project is through yield farming. So this is about 1 hour. So think about it. This project is making me about $8 to $10 per hour. This is less than an hour, I would say, 40 minutes, something like that. So if the volume increases, obviously my yield will increase. So what is yield farming? I'm providing liquidity here. So this is a pool and people use it to buy and sell. I earn a fee off of it. So I earn more agent and earn more Ethereum. I've been compounding this back into the pool, back into the pool, back into the pool till I get a larger bag and then I can DCA out. If you are holding a token like this long term or any token, you need to be yield farming it simply because the profits are there right now. And look, I brought in about $800, something like that. I plan to buy more, but the yield farm is helping me increase my bag. I had about what 6,000, I got 7,000. Obviously, you have to manage this because I've got a 30% spread, but you can do a full range and just leave it in there and compound as you go. So Agent Layer is a good token, set to hit, multiple exchanges in the future. We could see big things happening here, and I'm quite interested to see if we do break the 100 million market cap. I think that'll be the time where I start to take some profits on that. I've put I think about $200 out, something like that, and then I put it back into yield farming. So I'm up on my bag, I'm nearly 2x, but I'm yield farming it. So even if the price holds steady, I'll be earning and compounding as we go. All the best, take care.